By replacing the vinyl siding on your Collegeville, Pennsylvania home, you get significant benefits like boosted curb appeal and protection from the elements. But the biggest benefit is the cost savings. As siding ages, it loses its ability to protect your home from moisture, leading to mold growth, which can cause severe health problems and costly repairs. Mold remediation services in Montgomery County are expensive, but replacing your vinyl siding can eliminate this risk. Insulated vinyl siding improves energy efficiency, helping you save money on your monthly energy bills. It also makes the siding more durable, reducing the repair costs for impact damage. Because vinyl siding never has to be painted or sealed, you'll spend significantly less when getting a siding replacement with this material. You'll save a lot on maintenance supplies. Additionally, removing your old vinyl siding is the opportunity to find potential structural damage hidden beneath. Once the siding is off, vinyl siding contractors can tell if you have wood rot or other severe problems. When you're ready to upgrade your vinyl siding in Collegeville, Pennsylvania, turn to Baines Roofing. Call us today at 215-855-ROOF to schedule a free estimate.